Hi friends, welcome back to part 2 of my previous video, which, like I had mentioned, was about the festival of Bommala Koluvu, which is a traditional doll festival celebrated during the Navratris across the state of Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video, I request you to watch it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I request you to follow me on Instagram and the link is above, and please do read my latest blogs on my website bowerspace.com. So here you go with my depiction of a very small part of an Indian city. As I said, it's a small part, so you won't find malls showing in here. I wanted to focus more on the little things of a city life that are the pleasurable part. Well, I have made use of playdough to make a few figurines to complete the look. Most of the other toys are my kids' dolls and toys. I have used a black chart paper for creating the base. So I welcome you to my little well-planned and organized city of joy. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I am eagerly waiting to hear your comments. Please don't forget to watch my next video, which is very important, on how you can organize these dolls and, for that matter, any other artifacts in your house. Thanks a lot for watching. Until the next time, stay organized, stay productive, stay happy. Bye-bye.